In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram voice feature not showing up. Now, if this feature is not showing up on your Instagram app, then the first thing you want to do is open the Play Store app, or if you're using iPhone, open the App Store. Now, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar, and here you want to search Instagram. Once you have found it, check if you have the update option. If you have the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This should fix any bugs within the app and give you all kinds of features. Now launch open Instagram and check. If it is still not there, then the next thing you want to do is launch open settings, then scroll down and tap on the option of apps. A list of all the applications will appear here. Scroll down and find Instagram. Once you have found it, you want to tap on the storage option. Tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once that is done, you want to launch open Instagram and then check if this feature is now showing up. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.